Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Jaywhips back with another POV video. We're back up in the 750i X Drive, the 2022. We're on the road and we're gonna do a little cutting up, I guess, if we can. But you know, we're just out here cruising, doing our thing like normal. I got the sports display up over there. And I kind of just wanted to make this video to get another video out and also to update you guys on the M6. The M6 right now, it's still in the shop, obviously, because I still have the 750. This is my courtesy car, my slash loaner car. Yeah, so this is my loaner car. So obviously I don't have the M6 back. It's in the shop. Just an update on the M6. I know I told you guys last time that the possibility was that it could just be that software update, and that if they did that software update, it was possible that the Bluetooth would start working from there. They took the car in, obviously, they did the software update, and it didn't work. So, as I told you guys in the last video, if the software update doesn't work, then that means the next step is to go ahead and replace the head unit. Now, the head unit being the entire screen, I'm assuming that's probably pretty expensive, but regardless, we're replacing the head unit. So, whether or not that's covered by warranty, I don't know just yet, but I will be finding out soon. Today is Sunday, and the warranty adjuster that's going to come look at it to figure out whether or not it's covered by the warranty will not be coming until Tuesday. So I won't even know if they're going to cover it, or if they're not even going to look at whether or not they're going to cover it until Tuesday. So it's going to be a little while until we get the M back. So for now, we'll be in this 750. Not that that's a terrible thing, because it is a great car. But you know, of course, I miss my car and I want my M back, and I'm sure you guys do too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the M6. So hopefully I'll have that back soon. Just kind of an update too, and with the way I'm recording, the way things have been lately, I've been getting kind of screwed just because, well, number one, it's been daylight savings time, right? So now every day when I do have the opportunity to film, it's nighttime. So pretty much every POV drive that I can possibly do as of late either was a night drive, or I didn't do it because it was going to be another night drive. So I'm doing another night drive today just because I want to get something out, and like I said, I want to update y'all on the M6. But another thing, I screwed myself the other day. I want to film a rain POV, whether it be in this car or the M6, it doesn't really matter, but I want to do like a nighttime cruise while it's pouring rain out. And I saw a couple of you guys in the comments were asking for that, so I was going to do it, what's today? Today is Saturday, so I was going to do it yesterday, but it rained. I brought my whole GoPro setup. I brought the hat for the GoPro. I brought all the mounts. I brought my case, but I didn't bring the GoPro. So I didn't get the rain POV yesterday, but as soon as it rains again, I will make absolute sure that I have my GoPro with me, and I will make absolute sure that I get a GoPro rain POV video. Oh, there's a 6 Series in front of us. I'm actually going to take his spot there at the light in front of this guy here. What kind of 6 is it? I think it's a 640. Yeah, it's a 640. But yeah, so nothing too crazy lately going on. Just, again, still waiting on the M6 to come back. Driving the 750. I got a cut up no hezzy video that I just put up. I'm going to try to be doing a couple more of those as of late, just because of the fact that I don't have my car. It's just some content that I can still make when I don't have my car. So another thing too I wanted to talk about, I had a couple of you guys talking about some car meets and some ride outs at like Bear Mountain and stuff like that. Yo, if you guys got big BMW meets, if you guys got anything that you know, like any sort of event that I can make it to, I mean, I know I don't really have a lot of days off, but if I need to take a day off to make a good video, I will. I'd love to start going to like Beamer ride outs where it's just all M's and 335s and, you know, just like straight BMWs. But I would also like to go to a couple of meets where it's like a legitimate show, you know, where there's like Lambos and Ferraris and I can enter my car in the show. Like, I'm obviously not trying to win no competitions or anything like that, but it would be cool to have my car at a car meet and then also, you know, check out all the other cool cars that are at the car meet. Like I said earlier, it's a Sunday night, so there's not a soul on the road. Cruising, getting a nice seat massage. You already know, every single time I get in this car, I go right into the settings, right into the seat, and change it to level 3 seat massage, full body, every time. Because why not? You know, I might as well take advantage of the thing while I got it. hopefully soon, within, you know, towards the end of this year, coming into the next year, you know, the economy will start coming up a little bit more. But yeah, when that time comes, then at that point, you know, I can start modifying the car and you know, throwing money around and stuff like that, throwing mods on the car, cosmetic, you know, performance mods, all that type of stuff. And then maybe even pick up like a project car or truck or something like that. I do want to, and I think I told you guys in a previous video, a big plan for this channel, one thing that I would really like to do is, I would like to buy a secondary car, you know, obviously not get rid of my M6, I'd keep the M6. I'd like to buy like a 2001, 2002 Suburban, like a Chevy Suburban, and gut it out to where it only has the driver's seat and the passenger seat, and then make the rest of it like a bedroom, you know what I mean? So I can go camping in it, and like, I don't know, let's say, I just think it would be pretty cool to do a video where like I camp outside my job for the night, and then I just get ready for work in the morning, and I'm just at work. You know what I mean? Like stuff like that. I just think it would be a good idea. That's a cool looking Porsche. I like the way the new taillights look. Is it? It's not a Taycan, is it? It is a Taycan. I'm pretty sure that was a Taycan. I don't know, I'm probably wrong, but it looked good. I don't know what it is about this car, but being in the big body, for some reason it just feels like you need to use your blinker. I don't like every other M car, M3, M4, it's just like you don't even think about it. And this car, it just feels like you need to use it. I guess because I'm so big, take up so much road. I have a couple plans. So a couple videos planned that I have coming. Once I get my car back, I want to do like a 5 things I love about my M6, and I'm going to try to do a 5 things I hate about my M6, but I don't really think I could find a single thing that I hate. Well, actually, it's pretty good that I drove this thing for a while, so I can get used to some features that my car is not going to have, you know what I mean? That way maybe I could point those out as things that I hate. But there's really nothing I hate about that car. I love that M6 from front to back, you know what I mean? I love everything about it. I love the way it looks. I love the way it drives. I love the reliability of it. Everything. I love that car. But that's one plan. Obviously, I know I've been talking about this Manhattan trip that I'm going to do forever, but I will eventually be doing that. Again, I told y'all I just need to order the battery pack. I don't know why I haven't done that yet. I'll probably do that in a little while. I gotta order the extra batteries, and then I'll do the Manhattan video. It's funny, I was actually looking, so I wanted to talk to you guys about this too, because although I do love my M6 like crazy, this whole thing with the head unit is kind of bothering me. It did for a slight moment make me think, okay, let me just go on cars.com and look at other cars. So just out of curiosity, for the sake of asking my comment section, because you guys are my subs and my watchers, I was looking at M3s, M4s, a couple M3 CSs, some M4 CSs. Would you guys rather an M3 CS or M4 CS on the channel, or like a M3 G80? Because I was thinking, I eventually want to get one of the G80 M3s at some point. I think that's probably my next car from the M6, no doubt. But should I switch to a little M4 F80, or I mean M3 F80 for now, or should I just stick with what I got until I can get the G80? Or I don't think I would ever get an M8. Like, I like the M8 a lot, but I would probably wait until I'm like older to get a car like that for some reason. I don't know, because the M6 is a big body, don't get me wrong, and being the age that I am, it is a fast car and a sports car, which is great, but it is still a big boat, which is kind of an old person thing, you know what I mean? Like, I wouldn't drive this 750 unless I was an older person. I don't know why that correlates, but it does. So I don't know what I'm talking about, but y'all get it. But yeah, so let me know in the comments what y'all think about like an M3 CS or even just a regular M3 or an M4. I'm just thinking about it because it would be nice for the channel to have something that I can kind of throw around a little bit more. Like, the M6 is fast, and don't get me wrong, you can drift it and all that stuff, but it's a big car, man. You can't really, it's not as easy to just throw around, and you could still do it, but it's not as fun, it's not as lively, you know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it. It's very lively because it's a fast V8, but it's lively for its size. You know, an M3 and an M4 are lively, and then they're small as well, so they're, you know, kind of what's the other word? Lively and what's the word when something is like I can't think of it, like just sketchy. There's another word for it that I can't think of. we always be cutting up in the big bodies. Even if it's a big body, we can cut up. Still haven't gone as crazy as I possibly can in a video, just because, you know, for obvious reasons. But once, like I told y'all, I think I said it in another video, that once I get the M6 back, I'm definitely going to, I'm going to post a video where I go a little bit crazier than I've gone so far. So anticipate that one for sure. We're getting a little swimmy right now. Nothing too crazy, but we're swimming a little bit. Got like floaters on type shit, you know what I mean? We're in like the shallow end. Swimming through the shallow end. Maybe that's what I'll title the video. Well, no, I guess if you say the shallow end, that would probably mean something like less lanes. You know, I feel like I would imagine swimming through the shallow end would be cutting through like 2 lanes of traffic as opposed to 3, maybe. I don't know. But old school 6 Series in front of us. It says M6 on the back, but I don't think it's an actual M6 because the exhaust pipes just didn't look like one. Alright, well, can't do much swimming when there's a bunch of cars like this. Traffic got a little too dense. See, I wish I had my M6 right now, and whether or not this is a real M6 or not, it would be pretty damn cool if I'm in an M6 and I run into an old school M6. Oh, that's a cop up there. No wonder everybody's driving like this. You're gonna see a car switch lanes in front of me right now from right to left. That's a trooper right there. Or a sheriff, one of the two. I don't really care, to be honest with you. If this Toyota gets out of my way, I think there's a car there anyway, though. I'll have to get off that exit, so I am gonna do it. Toughie. Alright, well, that's really it, because State Trooper kind of killed traffic for us. Everybody's driving like a snail now. I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. I know I haven't really dropped a POV video in a while. Hopefully soon I'll be dropping a POV video back in my M6. I do want to get a POV drive of this car during the daytime, because every POV drive that I've done so far has been at nighttime. So I'll get a daytime POV in this car soon. Once again, I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Drop a like and sub up. Check out my other content if you please. Take care, guys. Peace out.